Listen, dude.
That wasn't me. It was a quote. It was a quote. It was a quote.
Yeah, screw the freaking quote, dude. It's not about that. I have a serious talk that needs to be had. I'm at exactly 300 points. If we lose this game, I'm out of champions, dude. And I'm a freak out, dude. Dude, it's not funny.
Okay, so no, it's not. Craigism is not Coomer, but Coomer's Craigism a lot.
Ah, okay.
Yeah,
I understand.
Jenny, you should have prepared more Sarkis Potis strip.
Oh, it's okay. I have plenty of stuff that I got just now. Human vids.
Tweety Bird looks like he's about to solve world hunger.
True. That's why I asked you.
Huge bubble gum with her own muscles.
Oh no, not another one. Whoa. You broke it. Whoa. What in the world?
On like Monday, a lot of places close.
Let's walk the street and then check out.
You watch where the fuck you going, bitch. See me walking here? Why you walk right in front of me? Are you stupid? Are you fucking stupid? I'm talking to you. Are you fucking stupid? You are stupid.
I'm not Chinese. Did he just Did he just like call us whore?
Somebody said Jesus Christ.
That is an amazing
Cat house. Dude, that's like a mansion for a cat.
Yeah, holy. I bet that costs so much fucking money.
How much you think it is? Like 800?
Probably $1,000.
$1,000 for
Oh,
a
I
fucking
bet.
cat house?
Oh, I bet.
Jesus. It's so round. Like his house and shit?
It's like fucking, it's like bubbly.
It's perfect.
Yeah, it's like a perfect cat house.
That's crazy.
Jesus. And it just like stands out so much.
I wonder how many cats can fit in that house.
Jesus Christ. I bet a really long cat could fit in the house.
I don't know. I don't think so. I don't think that house can handle that many cats.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice house.